Hey family, I'm on the way to the dollar store. Tomorrow is the grand opening of my 9-to-5 job. I'm doing a little prep today and I'm going to do my toes, my nails, just did my hair, and I thought I'd take you guys along with me. I'm on the way to the dollar store because I am going to give you guys a press-on nail haul. Generally I buy the Kiss nails, so I'll see what they have when they get there. My dollar store doesn't necessarily have the best options, but they always have a French, which I always get. They usually have a couple designs, but hopefully they have some new ones in today. A friend of mine actually makes press-on nails now. She just started doing it and she's doing such a fantastic job. Actually, I have another video coming out that showcases her nails. I'll go ahead and I'll link it right here for you guys so you can take a look at it, because she does such an amazing job. But her nails are long, so they're like good going out nails. But when I put them on for work, I was literally typing like that meme of Family Guy.
Scanion, Weinstock, and Reisman. Hey, LaRonda. Now, I got 4 people on hold, but I can't talk.
So I got to get some shorter ones, especially for this grand opening. I'm going to be shaking a lot of hands tomorrow. So I got to make sure that, you know, I'm prim and proper for that. I like these. So do I want to put on black nails? Okay, so I'm back. My dumb behind went in there, put my keys down on the counter and walked away. Couldn't find my keys. I'm in the aisle looking for my keys and everything, and they had them at the register. I guess I couldn't get far without them. Anyway, I got some trolleys because I love these and I haven't had them in a long time. And it looks like a new flavor, so I just want to try that. Sourdough called. So yummy. That's good. I can't eat too many of those. Anyway, so I usually buy, this is exactly why. I usually buy the French tips from Kiss because I really love theirs, but they didn't have any just now. So I got the LA colors, but I'm looking at it and the edge where the white is, it looks like it's already, like somebody already been typing on a computer with them. Whatever. Then I got these Kiss fashion design nails. And then I got these all black. I think I might wear these, but I have some others that I'm going to show you when I get home. And we're going to figure out what we're going to do to jazz them up a little bit. Okay, no more. See you at home.
I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I took my trip up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source.